people just do what they want out here. Absolutely love it. So we got a short drive over to Gauley Fest, and we're gonna fire it up. So we're picking up some liquor, picking up some ice, and gonna get this party started. Holy hell, we got three margaritas, bag of ice, and 2 Gatorades for $11. Are you kidding me?
Check this bridge out.
Not to go outside. We're all gonna die, and maybe that's alright. If now is our time, we've had a real good ride. So close your eyes and go. Close your eyes and turn. We're all gonna die, a little terrified. We're closing the blinds, our hands are sanitized.
Bring on the left.
Our lungs and legs are tired. We're all gonna die and isolate inside. Been talking a while to me, myself, and I. So close your eyes and go. Close your eyes and turn. We're all gonna die, a little terrified.
And we are on our way to El Bandito's, the area's chain Mexican restaurant, and we're gonna go get some margaritas. So, good day, another good day for the books. Journey on, till the next one. Green Race, here we come.